Hello everyone. Now we study 11th lecture of electrostatics, in which all of you study applications of electric dipole. Initially, we find relation between intensity of electric field and electric potential difference, which is relation between electric intensity and electric potential difference. It is, let a charge is replaced from point A to point B in the field of intensity capital E. Then work done is defined as force into displacement, while displacement between A and B is small r. Then work done is dW equal F into dr. Since work done is obtained in intensity of electric field, therefore we use negative sign and F equal Q naught E, where Q naught is the value of test charge. Therefore dW equal minus Q naught E dr. After divide, we can say dW upon Q. We also use only W in these conditions. It is minus E dr. It is first equation of, and according to definition of electric potential difference. Potential difference, we can see W upon Q naught equal delta V or dV. Therefore, by equation first and second, we can say minus dV equal minus E into dr. Sorry, it is there no minus, and E equal minus dV upon dr. It is required relation between intensity of electric field and electric potential. We can also represent in this condition delta V upon delta R, and it also is the form of gradient V. Last time you studied potential gradient, which is equal to intensity of electric field. Then we find electric potential energy of two charges of system. टू चार्ज सिस्टम हो, इसके लिए आपको इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी फाइंड करना हो, तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी of charge system were done due to arrange different charges by a confirmed situation to bring out from infinite. It is called electric potential energy. Let two charge, initial charge Q naught Q and one charge Q naught is bring from infinite and u to replace on fixed point. It is. Then work done, define it dw equal force into displacement. dw फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स सब जानते हैं आप, जो होता है 1/4πε0 Q अपॉन R स्क्वायर. And dr, therefore we can say it is electric force. We can say dw equal q0 upon 4πε0 and integration of 1/r square. It gives after integration and use limit infinite distance has zero work and small distance and work uses potential energy. W after integration limit 0 to u q0 upon 4 pi of epsilon naught and 1/r square integration gives minus का 1/r limit infinite to r. After applying the value of limit, we have higher limit minus lower limit and q0 upon 4 pi of epsilon naught. Minus sign is applied to get position, and after applying limit 1/r minus 1/infinite, 1/upon infinite gives 0 value, therefore u equal minus का 1/4πε0 q0 upon r. It is required value of electric potential energy for system of two charges. And now we use work done due to replace theta angle of an electric dipole. Work done due to replace theta angle of an electric dipole. It is electric dipole minus q plus q charge and some distance 12. Then work done becomes to be dw, which used to apply torque. It is ये सिचुएशन में आएगा, ये सिचुएशन में आएगा इंक्लाइंड थीटा. ईच चार्ज पर जो फोर्स अप्लाई होगा वो आपका q0 e रहेगा. देन dw इक्वल टॉर्क इनटू d थीटा. टॉर्क की वैल्यू आप जानते हैं pe sin थीटा, आप सभी ने पीछे स्टडी किया हुआ है. तो dw इक्वल आपका बन जाएगा pe sin थीटा d theta. After using limit, we can say 0 to theta and 0 to w. 0 to w sin theta का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस का cos theta, it is cos theta and limit 0 to theta. After applying limit, higher limit minus lower limit, and it is minus p cos theta minus का cos 0. Cos 0 gives value 1, therefore we can see w equal minus का p cos theta minus का 1 and w equal after multiplication minus p 1 minus cos theta. And we easily find it. I hope you successfully learn these divisions.